Hi everybody, again this is Brian, welcome back. I'm going to show you a quick video clip on someone who is testing a regulator, rectifier, that's in like every small engine application you can possibly think of. I'll be right back.
All right, so let's actually test a rectifier now. So what I'd really recommend is you download our troubleshooting flowchart from the RM Stator website. It has this chart that I've drawn on the whiteboard here. It has it in detail, and you can print it out and have it with you at your bike or with your regulator while you're testing it. So I just have it here. We're going to write in our test results as we test each step. So the first thing our chart says is to go from our multimeter red wire to our battery positive. Our battery positive is the red wire on the regulator. And then our meter black wire is going to go to each of the 3 stator wires. And my chart says I should be getting an OL or a 1, indicating nothing in that direction on my meter. And I do on the first one. So I'm going to go to my second stator wire now. Same thing. And my third stator wire. Same thing. Okay, so that's good. That follows the chart. I'm going to write an OL even though my meter says a 1, but same thing. And I feel like most meters will say OL, so I'm going to leave that here on the chart. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next section of the chart. I want to test my meter red wire to the battery negative. Okay, so I'm going to take my red wire from the meter and connect it to the green on this regulator, which is battery negative. And then I want to take my meter black and go to each of the 3 stator wires. So I'll pick one. And my spec is 0.2 to 0.8 volts, depending on your meter and what regulator you're measuring. So here I'm getting 0.554, so that's just fine. I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, 0.547, that's good. Next one. And 0.496, so that's good as well. So I'm going to write in my numbers here. And 5.4. Okay, so now we've tested one set of diodes both directions. Let's go to the next. So I'm going to take meter black wire to the battery positive. Okay, and then I'm going to take meter red wire to the 3 stator wires. And I should be measuring a voltage on this test as well. Okay, 0.557, that's good. Number 2. 0.568, that's good. And next, 0.494. Okay, I'm going to write in my 0.5, 0.5, 0.4, since of course I don't remember the exact numbers anymore. Okay, last section, we're going to go from meter black wire to battery negative and meter red to each of the stator wires, and I should get an open in this direction. And I do on number 1. I do on number 2. And I do on number 3. So I can write that in as well. Okay, excellent. So if you remember from the drawing we looked at previously, now I have tested all 6 diodes in the rectifier in both directions, and I got a voltage drop or current flow in the forward direction, and I did not in the backwards direction, which says that the diodes in the rectifier are doing exactly what they're supposed to.
I hope you enjoyed the video on how to test the regulator rectifier.